Huawei Mate XT Fold Vs. iPhone 16 Pro Max, a clash of titans. Introduction. The smartphone landscape has witnessed a seismic shift with the introduction of foldable devices. Huawei, a pioneer in this arena, has once again pushed the boundaries with its revolutionary Mate XT Fold phone. Meanwhile, Apple continues to dominate the market with its flagship iPhone 16 Pro Max. This video delves into a comparative analysis of these two powerhouses, highlighting their key features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. Before we continue, click the subscribe button to follow all content from this channel. Design and form factor. Huawei Mate XT Fold. This groundbreaking device offers a unique three-screen design, providing a versatile and immersive viewing experience. When fully unfolded, it boasts a substantial tablet-sized display, ideal for multitasking and content consumption. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Adhering to Apple's signature minimalist aesthetic, the iPhone 16 Pro Max maintains a traditional bar-shaped design. While it may not offer the revolutionary form factor of the Mate XT, its sleek and durable build remains a hallmark of Apple's products. Operating system. Huawei Mate XT Fold. Powered by HarmonyOS 4.2, Huawei's proprietary operating system, the Mate XT offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Running on iOS 18, Apple's latest mobile operating system, the iPhone 16 Pro Max benefits from a polished interface, extensive app ecosystem, and robust security features. Camera capabilities. Huawei Mate XT Fold. Equipped with a versatile camera system, the Mate XT excels in capturing high-quality images and videos. Its additional camera sensor and advanced features make it a formidable contender in the photography department. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Renowned for its exceptional camera performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a powerful triple camera setup with a periscope lens for impressive optical zoom capabilities. Key features and performance. Huawei Mate XT Fold. Three-screen design for enhanced productivity and entertainment. Powerful Kirin 9010 5G chipset. High-resolution OLED display. Large battery capacity with fast charging support. iPhone 16 Pro Max. A18 Bionic chip for unparalleled performance. Super Retina Extra OLED display with ProMotion technology. Triple camera system with periscope lens. Durable build with ceramic shield protection. Conclusion. Both the Huawei Mate XT Fold and the iPhone 16 Pro Max represent the pinnacle of smartphone technology. The Mate XT's innovative tri-fold design and powerful hardware offer a truly unique experience, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max's refined design, exceptional performance, and robust ecosystem make it a reliable and versatile choice. Your best device will ultimately depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize a groundbreaking form factor and immersive multimedia experience, the Mate XT is a compelling option. However, if you value a familiar design, seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, and exceptional camera performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a worthy contender.